Here in this technique, we're going to show you how to prepare a leg of lamb for roasting by studding it with herbs and flavours. So what you do is you get yourself a small knife and you make incisions at an angle into the lamb, and then just in the incision you place a sprig of herb. Here we're using garlic and rosemary, classic flavours with lamb. I'm making the incision at an angle. The reason why, if you make it at an angle, then you cover more surface area of the meat. So you're going to penetrate more of the meat with more of that delicious flavour. Sprig. Lots of herbs would work well for this. You could use basil, oregano, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, all be absolutely delicious. So keep on doing that all over your leg of lamb, and when that is studded all over, what you do is very simply just brush the lamb with some oil, season it quite generously with salt, and then that goes in the oven. The nice thing about studding it is you get the flavour really into the meat. Rather than just rubbing it with herbs, you actually get the flavour of the herbs and your flavourings, the garlic in this case, right into the meat. So here we've got one that's been roasting. It's perfect and golden, and not only do the herbs give you that wonderful flavour, they also look really attractive. So that's how to stud a leg of lamb for roasting.